4. Why are you wake up very... Why you wake up early? Yeah, something like that. What are your plans for your YouTube? Make videos and stuff. Yeah, something like that. You know, I can travel right now because I don't have money. So I stay always, you know. I don't know, and I I can't think anything what I'm gonna do in my YouTube channel. I'm too lazy to exercise. That I don't make any video. So lazy to exercise. Where do you want to travel? Anywhere, as long as I have money. You know, there's a lot of good beach here in Philippines. Have you traveled before? Have you been here in Philippines before, Taylor? I love the beach. I wanna go there someday. I only travel around the US. You'll have to show me around the Philippines, maybe a video. Yeah, sure. Why not? If I have time and a few money, I'll travel and I'll show you the Philippines. We have a lot of nice and beautiful beach here.